Moving to Sardinia means also that we have more space and cheaper prices. This will be our office, and we are overexcited because so far we have worked in the house. Now I'm very tired to use spaces of the house for office, so here it's our office. This is this is a building, a 150-year-old building, and this office has been empty for like 10 years. It's huge. Here we can see this is the original structure, then it's been obviously plastered and everything. There is plenty of restoration to do. As I said, it's been empty, so there is no water, no electricity, nothing. So we need to do everything. We need to redo, to reconnect all the public water and energy companies. It's huge, it's giant. We will show you, little by little, we are gonna show you also all the restoration that we need to do, because there is a lot to do before we can enter. Here, for example, there is this window. This we made it, actually, we asked someone to do it, to free some pieces, because we like to have some piece original. This was the original building. This window, I know it looks very much run down and torn, and a piece also fell. We wanted to change it and put like a modern. The only thing is the wood is extremely strong and it's not round. It just it fell from here, but maybe we try. We are gonna give it a try. If we manage to fix here, then we are gonna keep this window, because this, I'm guessing it's almost 100 years old, and it's so sturdy, it's not broken. So here we have a bathroom. Obviously, I mean, we will need to change everything. The sink, all the bathroom, we will need to change everything because it's very old. It's been abandoned for many years. Here there is a little room. Actually, this was a medical studio before. And this, I think, I was told, was the room where the doctor would meet the patients. So this is not the original, so we are still deciding if we want to knock this down or keep it. I don't know, we'll see. This was the reception. Then here, it's dark, obviously, because there is no light. Here there is a giant room. I don't know if you can see it. And it's huge, dark, because there is no electricity, but there is a door that has been walled, let's say. We want to knock it down because we can do it, because the original project of the building had this door, so we will knock it down and it will be also a source of light. There is also another small room up in the stairs and another bathroom. Here we are still thinking how to organize the place, but here we are thinking maybe we are gonna make our little gym. Here are the 2 rooms, and we want them to be our office. This ideally would be my office, I think I'm gonna put here the desk. Why not? Yeah. Here there is a giant window, so plenty of light. Here, it's another office. There is a door that goes in the street, and we are gonna open this door, and here it will be my husband's office. We are overexcited. We know, I mean, we are very excited, but we are also a little bit scared because we are fully aware that there is lots of work to do. We will keep you up to date and we will show you our progress. If in the meantime you have some tips on how to organize the place, on what color also to do the wall, because for now it's white, but we are thinking some cream. If you have some suggestions for nice and tranquil and soothing office color, write down in the comment. We need every tip that we can get because we are not used to it. We are completely new to this type of things. So we need plenty of suggestions. So that's it for now. We are just entering. You are seeing the office exactly how we found it the first day that we entered. So see you in the next video when we start restoring. Ciao for now.